that one shaking.
President Museveni yashyizeho bariyaka n'omukyanga kya Busoga arikusherura akaruuru. Abayo yabagambire bashemere gukora kurwanisa obworo no kugaruka bakamwesiga bakamutorana.
And a peaceful nation.
Ulo hubera enare mwiru kuongera ohombaha Uganda gatralala hulahulana amani eitao obwichayo bw'emirembe.
That's why you hear many refugees coming to take refuge in Uganda, because there is peace here that is not in their nations.
Is peace.
Niye emirembe.
You know, here we had a big fight here in Mbarara.
Mbarara is near here.
Yes. We had a big fight in Mbarara.
Waliwo hulwano hungi Mbarara
against Lakwena.
Nga hulwanisa Lakwena.
And the other Abasamya.
Abasamya bandi.
Near Busia.
Abe Busia no abinde Busia.
We are being killed by Foba.
Betebwanga nende abafoba.
Which was coming from Kenya.
Nga bali batulira Kenya.
But now all that is history.
Olwalero ebyo byosi bye byafaayo.
Abebembezi ba Busoga bebembirwe Justin Kasure Lumumba bagambira President Museveni ngo murundo ogu naza kutunga obushaki bukumara. Right Honorable Rebecca Kadaga yamushaba ngo enshonga z'abahingi bebikwijo zikakorwaho bitwara bari kwenda kuzigarura kandi yabashaba no kureta ba investor bakakora glaso mu mabare.
Bisaba cyo baba kubanga icyaro cyera Namayingo kidwire mabare. Side eno abantu bange ino era ntero kuidayo. Bako batla Namayingo eno iri capacity yo produce glass. Era mbarekano na investor asobola kuida muno. Asime bali akole glass. Antu afune mirimo tutunde ebintu ebyo.
President Museveni yagera ngo babase kombeke mbuto ngo Rwamusita Mayuge na Namayingo mpaka Busia.
Tulina ebintu ebikure ine ate bikwata ku bantu bonna. Aye naye tulina ebintu ebikure inyo ate bikwata ku bantu bonna.
Naye nga kulina ende bintu bya mahulundu muno ebidire bigasa abantu bosi.
Ng'oluguudo olw'Emusita okugenda Busia.
Koti ingira lwobona Musita okuchebusia.
Kyali kikulu nti abemisala mujira mulindako asoke tukole oluguudo luno.
Syali sya mahulundu mbwe musara mulindeho kusoke uhole esindu sigasa abantu bosi.
But this is a very big struggle.
Naye nga bibere mu kulwana kano kwa amani.
So therefore, like this one of water,
naye kotlanu sinesi amachi
has delayed because of that.
Sihindire hulwe bidi nyukoti ibyo bityo.
Nagira ngo bombekera amashomero 8 ga government aga primary kunkagona gombekirwa mu meruka 3 ecyakugira ngo tukirungi kubentekateka ya government no kombeka ishomero burumuruka.
From the file here,
okwe unja kubyandiko biri byali nabyano.
Namayingo is doing well in water.
Namayingo siri bubimuno kusonga kye byamachi.
You have got 306 villages.
Mulina ende ngongo emyakidatu nende mukaga.
218 of them have good water, safe water.
Ebigongo emyakibiri nde 18 kiri nende machi akanayikonta malayi.
This is 72%.
Sino siyekesa mbe humya ndala ama 72 kuba kuli bulayi.
So this was our message in the manifesto of 1996 and even before.
Ebyamagara n'amarwariro nabyo yabugambaho.
Now the plan is upgrade Mutumba Health Center 3 Namayingo Health Center 4.
Lano eteke hairiwo niyo kuninya edwaro lyeferiye Mutumba eri edara lyokudatu ofuha edara lyokune.
Upgrade Siguru Health Center 3 in Bukori to Health Center 4.
Oninya edwaro lyeferiye Sigulu mu bizinga otula hudara lyokudatu ocha hudara lyokune.
Upgrade Lugala Health Center 2 in Banda to Health Center 3.
Okuninya edwaro lye Lugala eri edara lyokubiri ocha hudara lyokudatu.
Upgrade Mulombi.
Oninya edwaro lye Mulombi
Health Center 2
eri edara lyokubiri
to Health Center 3.
icha hudara lyokudatu.
Yagira ngo nakiteganise bwo kushanga ngo abanya-Uganda benshi bakiri aboro kandi akatandika kubashomesa ukuba kubasa kweyiha mu boro omyaka yankaga kandi nakigumizamo kubegesa.
We say this, other people say something different.
Obola sino nabandi babole bindi.
And our people listen to them.
Nabandu befe handi bamala batekeresa ababulisi bandi abo.
But the good thing is that some listen
naye silayisirimbwe abandi batekereza obaha butuufu.
Nyenkyakare President Museveni aja kusiba nasherera obushagi ky'omu disitulikiti ya Luka hamwe na Kamuri. Ndi Anita Tukunda.